Hey guys, this week's investment advice is when to know to sell your rental property. Okay, so I'm gonna go over 3 indications that should tell you it's time to get rid of it. The first one, is it consistently generating negative cash flow? I guarantee you that if you were to sell a property producing negative cash flow, we could find you something producing positive cash flow. Okay, this produces a lot of stress in your life. So number 2, is it more of a headache than you originally intended? Are you having trouble placing tenants? Does the property require lots of maintenance repairs? Or have you just simply fallen out of the love of being a landlord? Okay. Number 3, have your investment strategies changed? Have you decided to take a leap into multifamily or commercial real estate? Do you want to fix and flip properties, invest in vacation properties? You can use the equity you've built up in your other rentals to put towards different real estate investments. So, pay attention to these 3 things. And if either of them, after, looking through it, makes sense to sell, let's get in touch and let's make sure you walk away with the most money possible. But anyways, my name is Talon Jeb, and on behalf of the Jeb Realty team, we want to wish you success in achieving your real estate goals. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.